Hey guys and girls, it's Liam here again from Tent World up in Townsville, here to show you around the Companion Double Wok Cooker. Now with the Companion Wok Cooker being a low pressure stove, that gives us two massive advantages for this one. A, with a low pressure stove, it's a lot easier to regulate that temperature coming through there, meaning you're going to be cooking at the perfect temp every time. And B, it's fitted with a POL fitting, which is standard across majority of your barbecues, which means you've probably got a bottle for it sitting at home already. Now it's just not the double wok cooker that's available in this range. Companion also do a single version of the same burner, and for the double size there also is an optional carry bag so that it stays safe when you're on your trek. Now the Companion Double Wok Cooker is a low pressure stove which gives you three big advantages. Advantage A, because it's a low pressure stove, it's a lot easier to regulate that heat, so you'll be cooking at the perfect temperature every single time. Advantage B is that this one's fitted with a POL gas fitting, which is standard across most barbecues, meaning you'll probably have a bottle for this one already waiting at home. And C, as it is just a standard 3/8 fitting at the back, it's also compatible with a lot of bayonet fittings, making it perfect for our caravanners and camper trailer guys. And a whopping 70 centimeters wide, there's going to be no crowding between two pans if you want to double cook here. Now the Companion Double Wok Cooker, combined between the two burners, burns at just over 25,000 BTU. Now that is nice and hot. It's going to be perfect for anything you want to throw at it. Let's get this thing started. These guys are super easy to turn on. All it is, a matter of pressing in your dial, turning to the left, you'll hear that piezo click, and you're away. Now this one here guys, perfect for cooking things like stir fries, as it is a wok cooker. It can fit a nice big pan on there, or even if you want to pan-sear yourself a steak, this one's perfect for that as well. I got one of these ones at home, and my favorite thing to cook on these is a beef teriyaki stir fry. Strip that beef up, throw it in here, sear it in, chuck in your veggies, throw in the sauce, turn it right down to that low heat and let it simmer for as long as you need it to. Now I like to let mine simmer for just a little bit longer to soften all those ingredients up, just so everything melts in your mouth. Now one of my favorite things about this unit is that it's nice, small and compact, super easy to clean. All it is, once I'm done with my cooking, just a quick wipe over the stainless steel, just in case I've had any splatter over the top there, and then back in its carry bag, straight back in the pantry. Now I can't fit my nice big barbecue in the pantry, it's also a little bit harder to clean, so when I just want to do those little jobs, this one is perfect. Now all three of these products are available in each of our stores nationwide and in our online warehouse, so come on down and see us or head to the website to get yours today. And as always, happy camping.